Ayurveda, flax seeds are considered as balya, health and immunity booster, and medhya, brain booster. These seeds help balance the vata element of the body. Flax seeds, also known as alsi or linseeds, are a powerhouse of nutrients and have gained widespread popularity in recent times for their potential health-promoting properties. They are natural and excellent sources for making muscles stronger and increasing energy. Ayurvedic experts often refer to flax seeds as brain boosters because they are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These nutrients supercharge brain functions and may be helpful in treating conditions like epilepsy, Alzheimer's, ADHD, hypertension, and bipolar disorders. However, it's essential not to eat too many flax seeds as they can upset the stomach of pitta and kapha in the body. This may happen because flax seeds have a hot and heavy nature. Flax seeds also help maintain the skin's pH balance. This can protect the skin from problems like dryness, premature wrinkling, and soreness, among others. So, including flax seeds in your diet can be beneficial for both your body and skin. The essential fatty acids in flax seeds nourish the skin, keeping it moisturized and reducing dryness. Additionally, flaxseed oil, when applied topically, can help soothe skin irritations and promote a healthy complexion. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is also known as the vitamin of beauty. The essential omega fatty acids, along with this vitamin, help improve the quality of hair follicles and the skin cells by providing ample nourishment to them and controlling the free radical generation. Flax seeds not only improve the hair texture but also boosts the growth of new follicles. You can massage your scalp with flax oil. Flax seeds are an abundant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ayurveda believes that consuming foods rich in omega-3s can help balance the body's doshas, promoting overall wellness. Flax seeds' omega-3 fatty acids and lignans contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy blood pressure levels. Flax seeds contain soluble and insoluble fibers, which aid in maintaining healthy digestion. The mucilage content of flax seeds soothes the gastrointestinal tract, reducing issues like constipation and bloating. Ayurveda practitioners believe that incorporating flax seeds into the diet can help regulate cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in flax seeds helps bind excess cholesterol, preventing its absorption in the bloodstream. Flax seeds contain lignans, which have phytoestrogenic properties. Ayurveda suggests that these compounds may help regulate hormonal imbalances, particularly in women, supporting menstrual health and easing menopausal symptoms. Flax seeds' high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. Ayurveda considers them beneficial for those looking to manage their weight effectively. Ayurveda recognizes flax seeds as a great immune system booster. Their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to strengthening the body's defense mechanisms. Ayurvedic texts praise flax seeds for their anti-inflammatory qualities. Including them in the diet can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation associated with various health conditions. While flax seeds offer numerous health benefits, it is essential to consume them in moderation. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave comments on what you would like to see in the future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.